When you hear that, my viewers, Mama go make the biggest mistake in her life. And I know she go regret it. After top Killa Weng drop, she run go make video show her face say she glad same drop. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no, drop some like on the video, yeah? Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. 15-year-old and our taxi driver man get charged for murder our next man. Plus, daddy pa drop out and we going to talk about top Killa Weng. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know what I go on, listen to this.
Yeah, man. 13 years and him never make me not let me go back for that. When you say now 13 years and him never make me cry for that, when you say it's an eye for a tooth for a tooth, who for the black clap, we can't laugh and celebrate now. Who's the 6 could fix and the night you go? Move with the bed, God! Lord, me over there, the house company! Me big up to them police station, West. Big them up! Me, big up them police station. Yeah! Right through the blood clot, can't they make me do it? My God! Pussy, I'm tired of it dead. You heard them now, we try somebody, you go suck your brother away.
When you hear that, my viewers, Mama go make the biggest mistake in her life. And I know she go regret it. And that's why I blur out her face. My people, top Killa Weng from West, drop out, police bust out him head. And when Mama hear the news, Mama so glad and excited. She run go make video. I say she glad say Weng drop out. And I tell him about him mother. And I say him feel like say him did I go murder her baby father and did it I go so. Yai for a yai. Tooth for a tooth. Mama say she a big up the police them we slap we Weng. My people, you don't know why I say she make the biggest mistake in her life. The video they all over upon the media right now. So all if me blur out her face, the dog them still a see her face, me I tell you no. And you have to remember this, you know. Weng friend them now go look back for no police, you know, we bust out him head, you know. As she them a go take out them anger pan, you know. As she them a go hunt a road and look for now, you know. So Mama, you make the biggest mistake of your life and you don't even know it, me I tell you. Me know say you did happy. Me know say you did excited. When you hear the news say the boy with dopey your baby father, get him marrow splash out back. But see it you now, you just put a target on your head back. So my people, tell me what you think about that and walk with me you now. See that youth you wanna see on the screen. Daddy Pa from Admiral Town, Baker Street to be exact. Him drop out at the 100-man police station due to a illness. And me I hear say a big A, through him never ever take him medication or probably him never ever get him medication because him in a lockup. So see me my viewers, Daddy Pa gone. So my people, walk with me now and listen to that one here keenly. A 15-year-old girl from Whitehall Avenue and her taxi driver man Danica Williams plan up and murder her next man Kennard Thompson on Swansea Avenue on March the 24th. And see it ya, police go seek and find them and a fling the charge pan them. My viewers, we are 15-year-old. I do with 2 man. Ya tell me say nobody never know about this? Our mother no know about this? Our little friend them never know about this? Or them know about this? And nah say nothing, cause them a get favor out of this. A full time now, you know. The big man them for load the little pitney them boy, you know. Even though enough for uno na go stop, you know. Cause uno go say if the Dana do it and the General a do it, why uno can't do it too? Full time now this thing you have to cut out, me I tell you now. You hear that? If you walk through the ghetto them or the Garrison them, me I tell you no more viewers. You need a shock for see what go on, or hear what go on, or hear who and who there, and who asleep. So hear it ya, a 15-year-old and our taxi driver man Danica Williams I go get charged for the murder for our next man, Kennard Thompson. So my viewers, tell me what you think about all of this, you know. Cause you see, boy, yeah, when you last scale listen this more time, just come, boy, and you find it. That's why when you hear me always say the ghetto will always be the ghetto. No change no there them place there. From Wappy kill fill up. Big man there with little girl. And see it here. At 2025. And it's still a go on in a Garrison. So until next time, protect on 3 points a road. On don't know my code. Life over death. You see me?
Big up to them police there, big them up. Me, big up them police there. Yeah, right through the blood clot can they make me there. My day. You see, I'm tired of dead. You know them now, we try somebody, you go suck your brother away.